Let's take a look at the weather now. And Tom, good news. Just one of the key drivers of the state's floods appears to be coming to an end.
Jeremy, the negative Indian Ocean dipole has weakened during the past few weeks. Now, the threshold for a negative IOD event is -0.4, and today's value has climbed above that mark for the first time since June. Now, here are the ocean temperatures during the past 30 days. Back in October, it was colder than normal off the Horn of Africa. It was warmer than normal off Indonesia. That's a negative IOD pattern, which increases rainfall for Australia. However, in recent weeks, both sides of the basin have stabilised, which will hopefully reduce the frequency of the rain events. However, they will still continue because the other two major drivers of our current record wet spring, La Nina and the positive SAM, are showing no signs of weakening until next year. In fact, it was humid right across the state today, and that helped to generate thunderstorms. Now, the storms were isolated and slow moving, which means most towns received no rain, but if you were under a storm, the rain may have lasted a while. Condobolin picked up 40 millimetres. For Sydney, today was mostly sunny and dry, apart from a few quick afternoon showers in the outer west. Maximums climbed to average for November, 24 in the city and up to 27 in the west. Across the state, minimums were within 5 degrees of the average. The coldest was Thredbo, falling to 1.5. Maximums were as much as 9 below average for Cobar. Along the coastline, though, close to average. On the satellite, thunderstorms today formed from southern Queensland right down to Victoria. There's also rain and storms across the west. On the chart, a high remains slow moving in the southern Tasman Sea. Now, winds blow anti-clockwise around highs, and that's pumping moisture across the New South Wales coastline. Around the country, a warm day ahead for Adelaide and a shower or two for Brisbane. For New South Wales, storms will quickly dissipate tonight, leading to a mostly dry start to Tuesday before showers and storms redevelop, but mostly just across the north. So for the northern half of the state tomorrow, showers and thunderstorms. There are high chance anywhere north of about Port Macquarie. It should stay dry for the Hunter. For the southeast, a partly cloudy day inland and a mostly sunny day along the coast. Thunderstorms are likely across the snowy mountains. To the west, showers and thunderstorms possible for the northwest slopes and plains, upper central west and parts of the southwest. Otherwise, it's looking mostly sunny. Off the coast, winds from the east at 15 to 25 knots, seas in the range of 1 to 2 metres. For Sydney, the chance of early fog patches in the west, then a partly cloudy day, but there's only the slight risk of a shower. Maximums reaching 24 or 25 degrees, although a sea breeze will keep Bondi to 21. The sun will rise at 5:46 a.m. and it's not setting until after 7:30. And further ahead, well, not much change in the weather during the coming days, staying mostly sunny with a gradual increase in temperatures, 25 in the city and 30 for the west by the time we hit Saturday, Jeremy.
Tom, thank you. Let's take you now to Sarah Ferguson standing by with 7:30.